Binswanger and Kidder Matthews have been selected as exclusive agents by Infineon for the marketing of 41915 Business Park Drive, Temecula, California. The 450,000 square foot industrial semiconductor wafer fabrication facility sits on 28.77 acres and is located roughly 90 minutes southwest of Los Angeles, California. The property, zoned LI, Light Industrial, features a variety of specialty use areas, including clean room, raised floor, office, lab space, and research and development support. The facility's Class 100 clean room offers 91,000 square feet of clean room capable space, with 61,000 square feet already operational and 30,000 of which is clean room capable but not completed. Additionally, there is 8,000 square feet of Class 1000 clean room space, 14,450 square feet of lab space, and 650 square feet of raised flooring. The building also features 88,517 square feet of office space and 277,951 square feet of additional support space. In addition to the property's developed 28 acres, the property affords the opportunity to further develop an additional 8.56 acres that, once completed, would yield a total of 37.33 acres of usable space. The property is conveniently located in Southern California, with proximity to the robust labor markets of San Diego, Los Angeles, and a variety of growing coastal and inland communities in between. It's just 1 hour north of San Diego, 1 hour northeast of Carlsbad, and 45 minutes south of Riverside, California. The property offers excellent freeway access to a variety of well-traveled roadways, including Interstates 15, 215, 10, and 8. The facility is approximately 61 miles from San Diego International Airport, 92 miles from Los Angeles International Airport, 80 miles from Long Beach Airport, 67 miles from John Wayne International Airport in Santa Ana, and roughly 52 miles from Ontario International Airport. In addition to the property being built to withstand seismic activity, the facility offers a variety of advanced infrastructure components that add value to many alternative uses, including life sciences, data center operations, advanced packaging, and many others. Features include 22 megawatts of power, expandable to 44 megawatts, heavy water, sewer, and cooling capability, life safety, fire suppression and security systems in place, central utility plant with deionized water plant, a waste neutralization system, gas tank farm, emergency generator, and fire pump. Building power is supplied by Southern California Edison and Shell Energy North American. The property's gas is supplied by SoCal Gas. Water is supplied by Rancho California Water District. The building's telecommunications are serviced by Frontier, formerly Verizon, and the WAN provider is Sprint. The property includes paved and lighted parking for approximately 344 cars. The building offers a variety of security features, including a fully secured yard contained by a 10-foot chain-link fence. A powered vehicle gate is controlled and operated by security controls within the building. Part of California's Riverside County, Temecula is a popular Southern California destination, well known for its historic town center, its championship golf courses, a year-round comfortable climate, hot air ballooning adventures, and award-winning wineries nestled in 3,000 acres of picturesque wine country. In 2019, Temecula, California had a population of 113,000 people, with a median age of 34.8 and a median household income of $96,183. A long-running effort to preserve and maintain Temecula's Old West heritage and charm has successfully established the beautifully restored Old Town Temecula as a favorite spot for one-of-a-kind shopping and exploring with antique dealers, art galleries, exclusive boutiques, museums, unique dining, weekly farmers market, and special events year-round. history enthusiasts can wander the streets of Old Town Temecula, viewing rustic buildings, sidewalks, and storefronts reminiscent of the historic Golden West in the 1880s. Just south of Temecula is the Pechanga Resort and Casino Complex, Temecula Valley's #1 employer, owned and operated by the Pechanga tribe of Luiseno Indians. The resort includes a large casino, bingo hall, hotel, convention center, showroom, lounge, and 7 restaurants. Nearby Temecula companies include Abbott Laboratories, Millipore Sigma, Medline Industries, Amazon.com, and Scott's Miracle Grow. For more details on this property or to schedule a tour, please contact Chuck Pollock, Senior Vice President and Partner, at 480-282-3665. C. Pollock at binswanger.com. Mike Pappas, Senior Vice President, at 760-533-2833. Mike.Pappas at kidder.com.